If you can't name your number by heart, you're paying for Jeff Bezos's next rocket. In the next 8 minutes, I'll show you how to reverse engineer any financial goal, house, retirement, or $10 million exit, down to the exact monthly dollar. No fluff, just math, mindset, and moves. Here's the paradox: most Americans work harder every year, yet their money isn't tasked with a mission. Billionaires like Elon Musk don't start with effort, they start with endpoints, then work backward. Do the same and your money stops drifting. We'll build your endpoint, and turn it into today's marching orders. The Backsolver method is simple: choose a target number and date, estimate conservative returns, convert it to a monthly number, subtract what you already have, and plug the gap with smart vehicles. That's it. We'll do the math live, then layer automation so it runs while you sleep. Step 1. Target and timeline. Name the dollar amount and the date without fantasy. If you don't pick, the market will pick for you, and you won't like the bill. Write it big, write it real, and let's make the number boss you around for once. Step 2. Translate that target into a monthly. We'll use conservative net return assumptions, not Instagram dreams. After fees and taxes, 5% to 7% is realistic for a diversified plan, so we'll back into a monthly contribution that actually happens. If it stings a little, good, it's honest. Quick gut check: imagine your goal costs 20% more than you think, could you still make it? Most people plan for sunshine and faint at the first storm. We'll bake in buffers, so surprises don't wreck your progress. This alone separates winners from the almost there crowd. Case study 1. Sarah, a 34-year-old nurse in Ohio, wants $1 million by 50. She has $120,000 invested today and earns a stable salary with irregular overtime. We assumed a 6% net return and worked backward from her age 50 target, no heroics, just back-of-the-envelope precision. The math: her $120,000 could grow to roughly $313,000 by 50. That leaves about $687,000 to create, requiring around $2,130 per month at 6% net. Painful? Yes. Possible? Absolutely. The trick is building a monthly engine that produces $2,130 without crushing her lifestyle or sanity. We found $1,160 per month without touching her rent. Refinancing private student loans saved $210, switching insurances shaved $95, meal kits replaced $340 in chaotic takeout, and phone/internet haggling freed $85. Overtime one weekend a month netted $430, on purpose, not out of burnout. Her money got a job. Cool time: use the free Goal Backsolver calculator and the one-page money map template in the description. Plug your target, date, and current savings, it prints the monthly. No more guessing. You'll also see the order of accounts to hit and what to automate first, second, and third. Quick question for you: are you currently using AutoPay for your bills? Comment yes or no. I want to see how many of you are building a safety net versus juggling fires. Your answer matters, because in 60 seconds I'll show you where automation quietly backfires. Back to Sarah, she still needed $970. We split it, $600 to a high-yield savings buffer for quarterly transfers, $370 from 2 extra evening shifts each month. But there's one automation mistake that costs people thousands every year. I'll show you exactly how to avoid it in a minute. Trap is auto-investing the same day your paycheck lands, before rent, utilities, and irregular bills clear. Result: overdraft fees, canceled drafts, or you rage turn automation off. Fix it with a pay-yourself-next-day rule, a 1-month cash buffer, and bill batching. Automation should be quiet, not chaotic. Account order matters. First, free money, 401k match. Second, tax edge, HSA if eligible. Third, Roth IRA or SEP/solo 401k if you're self-employed. Fourth, taxable brokerage. This latter lowers your monthly burden without taking more risk. It's not sexy, it's systematic, and systematic wins over time. Give your goals a scoreboard. Set quarterly checkpoints, contributions made versus required, portfolio drift, and cash runway. If you're behind by 10% this quarter, do not panic, adjust the next 90 days, not your dream. Micro-corrections beat all-or-nothing thinking, every single year. Sarah's 12-month outcome, $25,560 invested, $4,200 in cash buffer, overtime pre-scheduled, not felt as burnout. She can name her number on command, and the monthly does the heavy lifting. That's the power of reverse engineering, a clear target makes today obvious. Pause for 15 minutes tonight, open the sheet, pick your date, and write one sentence, my number is X by Y because Z. It sounds trivial, it isn't. People who name their numbers spend differently within 24 hours. Clarity is the cheapest edge on Wall Street. Case study 2, Marcus, a 36-year-old SaaS founder in Austin, wants $10 million liquid by 2033. Paper valuations told him he was already there, his checking account disagreed. We split his plan into 2 tracks, business equity with reality haircuts, and a boring, relentless portfolio that compounds quietly. We haircut the equity by 50% for liquidity risk, then assumed a conservative exit window. To diversify, Marcus started deploying $25,000 monthly at 6.5% net into a broad, low-cost mix. In 7 years, that track alone can land near $2.6 million, independent of his company. He then built a tax and runway bucket, 18 months of operating expenses, plus quarterly tax drafts parked in a high-yield account. No more surprise IRS bills, no panic hiring freezes. When markets wobble, he isn't forced to sell, he chooses. That's real control. Stress testing mattered. What if growth stalls for 12 months? What if rates spike? We modeled ugly scenarios and pre-committed cuts, office upgrades paused, non-core ads reduced, contractor flex invoked. When you decide rules on a calm day, you stop bleeding on hot ones. Lightning math break, want a fast gut check. Every $1,000 monthly invested at 6% for 10 years becomes roughly $163,000. Scale it. If your target feels huge, it's usually just a bigger monthly plus more years. Time and consistency beat brilliant, sporadic bets, always. Marcus's progress after 9 months, contributions on pace, runway secured, valuation still a question mark, but his liquid path alone looks inevitable. Yet here's the costly mistake founders make, they pick investment vehicles in the wrong order and tip 6 figures to taxes. Let's fix that in seconds. Most chase fancy funds first. Don't. Hit retirement space you can't reclaim later, then taxable funds for flexibility, then only consider private deals via a capped sleeve. Sequence creates return by lowering friction and taxes, not by gambling. I'll show the simple sequence we used next. The order we set, max solo 401k with employer profit share, fund an HSA, fill Roth via backdoor, then taxable brokerage, then a tiny, rules-based private bucket. We added an automatic quarterly tax sweep from revenue. Suddenly, his monthly shrank without cutting the target. Debt isn't evil, undisciplined debt is. We used a secured line of credit at single digits as a volatility bridge only, never for lifestyle. 2 rules, never borrow for consumption, and always pair with a matched investment schedule. If borrowing doesn't buy time or margin, skip it. We closed with real risk shields, key person disability, umbrella liability, and clean entity separation. Wealth is fragile without paperwork. One accident, one lawsuit, and the plan derails. This part isn't thrilling, but it's exactly what lets compounding continue while life gets noisy. Screenshot this line and tape it to your fridge, sequence, buffer, automate, then accelerate. Most people reverse that, and faceplant. If you get the order right once, you rarely need heroics again. That's how boring money becomes rich money. Case study 3, Elena, a 31-year-old teacher in New Jersey, wants $120,000 for her daughter's college in 12 years. Starting from zero, we used a 529 plan at a 5% net assumption. The backsolve said roughly $610 per month, more than she expected, but far from impossible. We carved $180 from monthly waste, bank fees, duplicate subscriptions, and smarter grocery runs. Elena picked up $200 from 2 Saturday tutoring sessions. The remaining $230 auto-escalates every year by 1% of her raise. One clean plan, 3 small levers, and now the tuition bill has a boss. We also funded an emergency buffer to protect the $529 from panic withdrawals. Pulling from investments during a dip is like selling your parachute mid-fall. With a cushion, contributions keep flowing, no matter what headlines scream. That calm, automatic drip is where compounding flexes. Every August, Elena runs a 15-minute audit, confirm contributions, rebalance to target glide path, and update the monthly if scholarships or family gifts appear. The goal might shrink, imagine that. Big wins rarely show up as jackpots, they usually arrive as tiny, relentless corrections. Do something tactical, write your target and monthly on a bright sticky note and put it on your laptop. When the number is in your face, you stop impulse buying and start impulse investing. It's a quiet psychological nudge that saves louder amounts of money. There's a final blind spot many miss, underestimating inflation and taxes by just a hair. That harmless 1% to 2% miss over a decade can vaporize hundreds of thousands. I'll show you the exact buffer to add so your future lifestyle doesn't quietly shrink. Use a 15% planning buffer, 10% for inflation drift, 5% for taxes and fees, and price goals in after-tax dollars. If it still works with the buffer, it works. If not, extend the date 6 months or raise the monthly. You control levers, the math obeys. Build your one-page money map, top left, your target and date, top right, the monthly and current gap, middle, account sequence and automation dates, bottom, buffers, runway, and insurance. One page rules the chaos. When money is visible, it behaves, just like a team with a scoreboard. Here's the 7-step money map checklist. 1. Target and date. 2. Conservative net return. 3. Monthly backsolve. 4. Gap triage, cut, earn, automate. 5. Account sequence. 6. Quarterly scoreboard. 7. Buffers and insurance. Follow this once, and your default becomes wealth, not drift. Their 72-hour challenge. Download the free templates, write your target, and automate the first draft monthly. Then, comment your number and month you'll hit it. I'll pick a few plans to review on the channel, anonymous, but ruthless. Steel sharpens steel. If you do nothing, tomorrow looks like today, only more expensive. If you backsolve, tomorrow looks inevitable, because today has a job. That's how Sarah, Marcus, and Elena stopped guessing. The market won't hand you a plan, but it will reward one relentlessly. Grab the Goal Backsolver calculator and one-page money map, both free in the description. Subscribe for the follow-up where I build 3 viewer plans live and show the scripts I use to lower bills by hundreds. Your money deserves a mission, give it one now.